Colin, what letter?
M.
Very good. Okay. This one. What letter? What letter? D. This one? D. This one? What letter?
E.
E. Very good. This one?
K.
Very good. This one? What letter? R. Okay. This one?
I.
I. Okay. This one?
F.
F. Okay. This one?
A.
A. This one?
B.
B. This one?
O.
O. Very good. This one? Q. Very good. This one?
B.
P. Good job. This one?
N.
N. This one? T. This one?
Double.
W. And this one?
S.
S. Very good, Colin. This one? What letter? What letter, Colin? C. This one? H. This one?
Yeah.
Y. Yeah. Very good. How about this one, Colin? X.
Are you done?
This one?
K.
J. This one?
P.
P. This one?
P.
This one?
P.
Uh-oh. Okay, Colin, this one.
Very good.
U.
U. This one?
L.
L. And this one, last one. Okay, we'll pick it up later, Colin. This one last?
G.
G. Good job.